tricks and tweaks.
Next up, we're missing some vents here. Airbag first.
I'm standing back. That's gonna make a $10,000 video if that thing takes off out of there.
Yep. That
America's
it would.
Funniest home videos.
It would indeed. You know what? Way to go. Yeah. There we go.
Stuck right there's a lip sticking out.
There we go. Oops.
Hold it.
Yeah, right there. Never gonna see that again.
That's what my kids said when I cleaned their room.
Already soiled this one pretty good, but it'll clean. There it goes. Okay. That goes up there. This.
We're here with Mr. Bill Gerker. He is replacing my vents. The old ones are out there in the yard. We literally threw them out to the van because they were so irritating. This is the passenger side. We got some all brand new vents. If you've got a T1N, you know those are usually broken. He's taking the airbag thingy out. Now he's putting it back in. He's put the new vents in, as you can obviously tell. So we met on the T1N Facebook page. I started asking him about solar questions, and all this comes about. We drove down from Atlanta to go bike riding, and we thought we'd stop by and see Mr. Gerker about helping us with some van stuff. And we fixed the sliding door today. We fixed that plastic piece right there, and we replaced this plastic, and we replaced these. This one that goes all the way up and around here and there. Boy, this is what the van originally looked like, huh?
Yeah, number one reason